Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix touchpad not working issue. Actually I was facing this issue with my notebook, so somehow I have found some step I would like to share with you. So here I'm going to share you some steps. First we need to do a check basically in settings the touchpad is enabled or not, or we do have some shortcut keys on our including function key. So we will check either we have like enable or disable the touchpad by pressing that function key. So in my laptop I'm using Dell Pro 15. There is no function key to fix the touchpad, so I would like to directly go in the settings. So in case of Windows 10, we need to press Windows plus I. It will be open setting windows like this. You can see on your screen. So first we need to go on the setting device option. Once you click on the device, you will be able to see. Let me show you this touchpad option. So once you click on the touchpad option in left hand panel, in right hand panel it will show a toggle button that should be switched on to make sure that the touchpad is working fine. Somehow this happens, this toggle button is turned on and even after your touchpad is not working. So what we need to do is now we need to go the very basic part of this video. We need to go in this device management option and we need to check whether drivers are installed properly or not. So for opening device manager, I put in shortcut key here. I prefer shortcut keyboards only to access some menu. So here I am going to press Windows R. It will be open this run menu to you. Once the run dialog box will be open to you, you just need to type devmanagement.msc. I will spell it for you guys. It is devmgmt.msc. Once you enter, device management will be open to you. It will be look like this, the device manager. Here you need to find mice and other pointing device. Under mice and other pointing device I am trying to highlight it. You can see this Dell touchpad is there. HID compliant mouse, HID compliant mouse, PS2 completed mouse. So there is 4 or 5 options are there in case of my lappy or my notebook. In case of your notebook, there might be some less or some more number of options. So what you need to do is if you are not able to find this Dell touchpad option which is there in my computer, you might having this HID complement mouse. So first you need to just right click on it in this like this. You can see this and you need to go with this uninstall device option. Once you click on uninstall, it will be asking for you to uninstall. Once you uninstall the device, your touch you need to uninstall all this HID complement mouse or like PS2 compatible mouse. You have to remove all those driver by right clicking on it or uninstalling. So in case of you are not having external mouse, you might be asking this question that how could you be able to click right on some particular option. So for this I would like to suggest you something. If you see on a keyboard, you will be able to see a key like paper. The key, there will be a symbol like a paper. Correct. So you need to just press that key and it will be open right click option to you. If the key is combined with some other key, so you just need to press that key along with the function key and it will be work for you. So once you uninstall all these driver by right clicking it or by pressing in my case of notebook, I am having that key combined with the control. So here I am pressing function plus control key, it will open right click menu for me. So I just need to go uninstall option and I just press enter until we get uninstall. Once till we get uninstall, I just need to restart my system and the mouse pad will be start working for me. Or if it is not working even after uninstalling and restarting the system, so there might be some issue with the hardware only. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope that will be resolve your issue, fix your issue. If it is not, please let me know. Thank you.